Hi, I'm Amber Irwin, co-founder of Social Speak Network. I wanted to talk you through the process of working with Social Speak. We take the time to get to know our clients and really understand their brand voice. It doesn't matter what package you choose. We work with you hand in hand to craft together quality content that you want to see on your social media platforms that's going to engage your audience. And at the end of the day, be able to provide valuable content to your audience that gets results. So in our different packages, we have either one post per week up to 3 posts per week. And we also help manage the Facebook like campaigns and boosted posts to increase your reach on Facebook and get new people to your page. We care about our clients, and 75% of our clients have been with us for 5+ years. We are so excited to work with you. If you have any questions, please let us know and schedule your free 30-minute consultation today. Talk to you soon.